Me and my kicks, 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 me and my kicks.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, me and my kicks. And while I was in the state of Wisconsin, I figured I'd go ahead and check out an outlet. So this video here is the Johnson Creek outlet vlog, man. Stay tuned. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. I really do appreciate it. Smash that like button if you like this video. Also comment down below if you've ever been to Johnson Creek, Wisconsin. If you've ever been to the Johnson Creek outlets, or if you've ever been to Wisconsin in general, man, just comment that down below and we can chop it up in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. It takes nothing but a couple seconds and you'll be notified of when I drop future videos. Now enough talking, let's get into this vlog. I never seen these before. These look like the Air Max 90s mixed with the Air Max BWs. These called the Nike Air Max IVOs or whatever. Retail 100, they got them for 74 plus the 30% off. Make them around like 50 bucks. Not bad. They got the Air Jordan 33s. Actually, I'm sorry. Yeah, these is 33s. They got them for 110, retail 175 plus the 30% off. Make these about 80 bucks. Now, for 175, that's a little bit too much, but for 80 bucks, I'm gonna have to go ahead and grab me a pair of these, G. Got the denim foams right here for 160 plus 30% off, make them like 120-ish, 130. Not bad. They got a full size run. In my opinion, that's way too high for these. I need them at a little bit lower. This is my first time seeing these Kobe ADs at the outlet. Got a nice little size run for 140. Retail is 190. I don't think that is that high. Now this retail price, retail was 140 on these, so they got these here for 140. They got a whole bunch of colors in these Kyrie flat traps. They got this green and black. Got this like black, well, with a little bit of gold in it. Got a black with a gum bottom. They offer like 65, so plus 30% off, make them like 50 bucks. They got a white with the red. They got some Kyrie 4s. This whole little area right here is Kyrie country. They got some PG 2.5, and they for 90 bucks. But after that Zion injury, these should be like $10 plus 30% off, make them 7 bucks. They should be just giving these shoes away. Hopefully, Nike outlets get the message and knock these all the way down. Because I don't play basketball in these shoes. I just use these for style. Got a size 11 in the Royal Flatnets. So it's like 80 bucks plus all the sales off. Probably make it around like 50 bucks. That's not bad for these in the size 11. That's not bad at all for these. Got these Miami Air Force Ones for 70 bucks plus 20% off. Make it around like 55. That's not bad at all. Got the black and purple up tempos for retail price plus 20% off. Make them around like 140. They still got these LeBron 13 lows up in here for 50 plus the discount. Make them around like 40-ish, maybe 30, 38 bucks. Not bad. I never seen a size 14 and a half shoe. This is the only place you could get a 14 and a half shoe is at like one of these outlets. That's not a bad price though. 44 plus the discount, make it around like 30 something. Not bad at all. Got these crazy big Miami South Beach 8s for 100 bucks plus 30% off. Make them around like 70 bucks. They still got these 12 lows. 8 size 18, 130. So with the discount, it'll be like 100. This is a nice Nike hoodie, navy color with an additional 30% off. Make this around like 18 bucks. That's not bad. And they got them in a lot of sizes too. Oh, is this a crew neck? Oh, I mess with crew necks. What's that? What they want for this? 19 plus 30% off? Make this around like 14? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. They got a couple of little steals as far as like clothing goes. As far as shoes though, it is over with. They got a nice little deal on these jackets. It's 50% off the price plus the 30. What they got? So this would be like 70 bucks plus 30, make it like 50 bucks. Not a bad winter coat. What they got? They got this in yellow and black and red. Not that much selection, but not bad if you're trying to get a winter coat for the cheap. Got these Seahawk looking Ultra Boosts. It's not a bad colorway. Definitely go with those Seahawks jersey. For $122, that's not a bad price. Got the Air Max 720s in hand. I'm not really a big fan of the silhouette, but I want to get the triple blacks just to like walk around in and like just have as like an everyday shoe, because like this cushioning technology is pretty decent. Like I'll really walk around in Vapor Max all the time, so I really want to cop these just to have like an everyday shoe. But I gotta get these on sale. 190, 180 is way too much. Here go that other colorway of them. I definitely would never get none like this. I need like a low-key color in the Air Maxes. Got the 720s triple black. I could definitely see myself rocking this. They got these white with the teal and navy. These okay. These pretty decent. Then they got this white with the blue and green. Air Max 720 all over. These pretty decent. It's crazy how this shoe is just sitting, man. And I need to restock on the other colors. I need the white and royal blue ones. I got these, and I got these for the deal. I also reviewed these. I put that up above if you want to check it out. But I need these for the deal, man. Never seen this colorway in the Westbrooks. Like a white, black with a little bit of gold. Nice little subtle colorway. I can rock with these. They got my fanny packs over here. I got this one for like $5. I use a little Finish Line discount on it for a $20 off gift card, plus the regular price made these $5, but they got these for like $15 over here. It's not bad. Got these Nike, what they call these, M2K Technos, the like upgraded dad shoes for $55. That's pretty decent, because they was trying to charge like $100 for these, and these definitely need to be around like $50. Fellow shoe tuber P-Town 24. When I went to the outlet last time, he wanted these shoes, and since I'm at the Finish Line outlet, they got these joints for $50. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab him a size 10. So if you're seeing this P-Town 24, I got your pair. Feel like Adidas still got that 50% off sale going on, man. I don't know what Adidas doing. Is they like going out of business or something? Because hey, I can't even complain though. I love 50% off everything. They got the white multicolor Ultra Boost over here now for half off, so these be about 100. Then they also got the navies, so that'd be about 100 too. So Adidas over here snapping, man. They're giving us 1.0 Ultra Boost for half off. Can't beat that with a stick, man. Over here they also got the Ultra Boost Climber joints, the white and Volts for $75, because they $150 plus the 50% off. They got these D-Rub Runner Parleys at $70, so 50% off that would be $35. It's not a bad price for Parleys. That's not a bad price for D-Rub Runners. They got the white and black Adidas Explorers. They got it for $85 plus half off, make it around like $42, $43. I did a review of these shoes with my man's Marcus. I put it up above if you want to check it out. Got the white navy regular Adidas Superstars. Back in the day, everybody used to have a pair of Superstars. Got the lows for $80, so half off, make them $40. Not bad. Got these crazy BYWs with the suede upper for $50 with the discount. Got these purple and black ones, same price. And then they got these white and like black ones right here, same price. So if you want a nice little basketball shoe to hoop in, Adidas got you covered. All right, guys, that is the end of the vlog. And once again, Adidas took another W over Nike, man. That Nike outlet didn't really have much at all. It was like a clearance style store, not just a regular Nike outlet. So that was one of the reasons why it wasn't like as good. But just overall, man, they didn't have anything good Nike-wise there. But as you saw, that Adidas outlet definitely was smacking, man. They had a lot of shoes for the low. And the last time I hit up the Adidas outlet, it was a couple other bros that's like in my Facebook groups or on IG and stuff like that. They was hitting me up saying, if you come across any more Adidas Boosts at $100, hit me up and I'll get a pair from you. So I hit up a couple people and I got a lot of pairs of those Adidas Ultra Boosts. I got about 5 to 6 pair of the navy Ultra Boosts, and I also got like 1 pair of the white Ultra Boost, man. Like everybody was going crazy over these, and you can't beat it when both these shoes are $100. 5 to 6 years ago, you would have never found a deal like this. But now, apparently everybody's just falling off on the Ultra Boost. But I definitely like both these shoes. I'm definitely glad to have gotten a couple people these shoes for way under retail. One of the people that hit me up saying that they wanted a pair of these shoes, it's like a food channel on YouTube. It's called The Food Adventures with Haas and L. Haas hit me up and was like, hey bro, if you find these shoes at that same price, I'll PayPal you the money, no problem. So I hit them up and I got them his size, and I'll be shipping that out to you. Also check out their food channel, definitely on point. You know, they go like over stuff like what's their top 5 favorite candy bars, top 5 favorite fries, and you know, it's just a nice little variety food channel. They're definitely a growing channel. I want to say they hit 300 subs not too long ago. So I'm gonna put that link down below. I'll put the link up above. Check them out, The Food Adventures with Haas and L. Also, when I was at Finish Line, they had these joints for $50, and another YouTuber, his name is P-Town24, he wanted these shoes at that price, around like 50 bucks. So he told me if I ever seen that shoe again, just hit him up. So I hit him up, asked him if he still wanted it. He said yeah, so I went on ahead and bought it for him. And I will be shipping these out to you, man. But overall, a pretty decent shoe. I'm not a big fan of the Continental 80s, but you know, I mean, I know a lot of people really like it, especially like the louder colors, like a off-white or like the lime green ones. The black ones, you know, this is a pretty subtle colorway as well. So, you know, just something you want to just go to the store in or get grocery shopping done, stuff like that. Just a pretty nice, subtle shoe. So in a nutshell, Adidas, keep doing what you're doing. Keep giving us these shoes at these crazy low prices. Shoes that a lot of people slept on, because trust me, I will not be one of the people to sleep on them. Nike, y'all got to step y'all game up. Put some more retros in the outlets. Put some more, you know, low-key Nikes in the outlets, man. Y'all is slipping. But as always, hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what's the best shoe you've seen in this video. Also comment down below if you've ever been to the Johnson Creek, Wisconsin outlet. If you've ever been to Wisconsin, whatever, man. Just comment that down below and we can chop it up in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Takes nothing but a couple seconds and you'll be notified when I drop future videos. And lastly, peace.